We have some updates from our telecoms providers. I'm going to read you this press release from Flow Jamaica. It says that 72% of its mobile customers have access to connectivity despite power challenges being experienced with some of its mobile sites. Again, that is from Flow. It says 72% of its mobile customers have access to connectivity despite power challenges being experienced. Several Flow mobile sites are now dependent on backup power provided via generators deployed ahead of the storm. As was anticipated, the areas of highest impact for Flow were St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Trelawney and St. James, and the areas experiencing the lowest impact from the storm were Kingston, St. Thomas, St. Andrew and Clarendon. As far as its fixed network is concerned, it says only 22% of its fiber internet customers are currently registering online and able to access services. Now, this, according to Flow, is mostly based on limited residential power availability across the majority of the island. As for Digicel says it is still assessing the outage across the island and will have a press briefing tomorrow. I also want to give you another update, and it is regarding the essential public service offices. And this release is from the government of Jamaica. It says the government of Jamaica is advising the public that all non-essential government offices will remain closed until further notice as the country continues to prepare, as the country reels from the impact of Hurricane Melissa. The directive is an extension of earlier precautionary measures taken to close non-essential government offices ahead of the system as part of the national emergency readiness posture.